Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. I'm the representative from Group Orchids want to introduce of our topic which is ways to boost Wi-Fi or internet connections by using best Wi-Fi extended hardwares among University Utara Malaysia students. From the from the project paper and presentation, we highlight the background of problem statements, recommendations, solutions, product descriptions, user manual, products comparison, cost of product, and the lastly is conclusion.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ainumadia Binti Ismail. My matric number 275466. Our group topic is ways to boost Wi-Fi or internet connection by using Wi-Fi extender hardware among University Utara Malaysia students. We will discuss more detail about this topic. I will explain my part, background of problem and problem statement. Internet is a global network that connects more than one user from around the world that allows information exchange to take place. Internet being an important media of communication and become a part of the social, commercial, educational, political, and personal activity. It gives several benefits to users. Internet users face different network problems while accessing internet across locations, facing quality and issues like connection breaks, advertisement pops out, inconsistent speed, auto downloads, and session failure. For sure, network or Wi-Fi connection are the most important things that should have at home or workplace. Besides, in COVID-19 era has changed people and organizations have had to adapt new ways of working and living. Employees need to do work from home and students need to do online learning. So, internet usage is very important for employees and students. Slow internet connection or limited access from home can contribute to student and employee. Okay, the internet that allows internet users to exchange information or data through the network. To get an internet connection, we need PC, desktop, laptop, or even mobile phone. The connection from the device to the internet can be used by using Wi-Fi. Poor internet connection will cause unable to access the internet either to search for information or to complete the task. Having high-speed internet connection would ensure that the household will make it easier to complete the task or make any research. Without high-speed internet at home, it is difficult to do anything with internet and have to wait for hours to use because it is still in the process of buffering. There are many ways to get good internet, such as using the best Wi-Fi booster or extender hardware, using the best network, and also can using source code or command prompt coding. A good solution to get good internet access and make it easier to communicate and access important service, we provide suggestion to use the best Wi-Fi booster or extender hardware. I will explain about problem statement. COVID-19 pandemic has changed people and organizations. People and organizations have had to adapt to new ways of working and living. Also, students need to do online learning. Okay, poor internet connection access can affect a student's academic performance. Students without internet can connect with teachers or classmates, do research, or get online quiz or tests. One of the biggest problems faced by students without internet access at home is their inability to complete assignments. For sure, network or Wi-Fi connection are the most important things that should have at home. To get network or Wi-Fi connection without any problem with connection is using the best Wi-Fi booster or extender hardware. In the process, the Wi-Fi signal booster helps to effectively enhance the Wi-Fi network to all corners at home.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Miss Asmarinda. Before I start my presentation, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Emilia Binti Ismail. My matric number is 270905. So, I will explain about the recommendation and the solution for our problem. Due to our research, there are 3 recommendations that we can use to solve our problem, which is using source code or command prompt coding, using best Wi-Fi booster or extender hardware, and using the best network. So now, I will explain it one by one. For our first recommendation, which is using source code or command prompt coding, we need to setting our computer or laptop. First, we need to open the command prompt. We just go to the Windows and type command prompt and it will appear there. Secondly, we need to open TCP show global. Make sure to type NETSH space INT space TCP space show space global and press enter. Next, we need to enable TCP set chimney. We need to type NETSH space INT space TCP space set space chimney equal enabled space in space CMD and press enter. Fourth, we need to normalize global auto turning level. We need to type NETSH space INT space TCP space set space global space auto turning space level equal normal space IN space CMD and press enter. Last but not least, we need to set congestion provider. We just need to type NETSH space INT space set space global space congestion provider equal TCP and press enter. Next, we need to restart our laptop and we can use our laptop with the faster speed of the internet. Okay, now we go to the second recommendation, which is using the best Wi-Fi booster or extender hardware. Can Wi-Fi booster increase our internet speed? How does the Wi-Fi booster work? Actually, Wi-Fi booster and Wi-Fi extender are usually associated with filling in dead spot, but they can also be used to add faster speeds and even new features to our Wi-Fi internet. To purchase the most ideal Wi-Fi booster, we need to know how it works first. Essentially, a booster starts working once it has established a connection between the router or access point to our wireless device such as laptop and cell phone with Wi-Fi turned on. For instance, to use the web connection on our cell phone without using a lot of data in our allotted data package, it would be wise to turn the access point or router on. The transmission is immediately sent by the router. If it doesn't reach our device like tablet in some corner, Wi-Fi booster will help with such a situation. The transmission is captured by the booster and returned on push into our cell phone with Wi-Fi feature turned on. The wireless send booster the information before the router receives the transmission. After the router has accepted the information, it relays it to the web servers. Having completed this, the process begins once again. Okay, now I will explain about the last recommendation, which is using base network. Network is defined as a set of devices connected to each other using a physical transmission medium. For example, a computer network is a group of computers connected with each other to communicate and share information and resources like hardware, data, and software. In a typical client-server network, there is a central node called the server. The server is connected to the other devices, which are called clients. This connection is either wireless or wired. In a typical home network, the router assumes the role of the server. It is connected to the internet and provides the internet resources for the other devices such as computer and smartphone. Now we go to the solution. What is the best solution that we take to boost our internet among the UM students? Okay, after I have discussed with all the group members, we partially agree that the second recommendation, which is using the best internet booster or internet hardware, is the best solution. This is because in case we realize that diverse area in our home or surrounding have really weak wireless fidelity or the connection doesn't reach, then such a Wi-Fi extender is a great gadget. It can save us from purchasing extra cables or more expensive networking gear including switches and hub. So that's why we choose the second recommendation as the best solution for our problem. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. My name is Muhammad Shahzada Fasni Beraslan. My matric number 265364. Today I'm gonna talk about a product description, user manual, and product comparison. But first, we go to the product descriptions. There are three products that we choose early, which is the first one is D-Link DAP 1650 Wi-Fi range extender AC 1200. The DAP 1650 wireless AC 1200 dual band gigabit range extender is the ideal solution for improving the coverage and signal strength for any wireless network. Concurrent dual band 802.11 AC delivers next generation wireless connectivity and performance, while 4 GB internet ports provide high speed wired connections allowing you to stream HD videos. The DAP 1650 uses the latest wireless AC technology, which can provide transfer rate of up to 1.2 GB per second. Older wireless technologies are simply too slow and congested to handle the increasing demands of today's device. Browse the web, chat and email using the 2.4 GHz band, stream digital media, play online games, or make internet calls on the 5 GHz band. Second is the Linksys RE7000 Maxstream AC 1900 Plus Wi-Fi range. Okay, we go to the overview. Quickly extend the reach of your existing Wi-Fi network with the Maxstream AC 1900 dual band range extender from the Linksys. Simply press the push button connect feature on the RE7000 to automatically sync it to your router or set it up on your smartphone, tablet or laptop. The Maxstream also support the 802.11 AC networking standard with the data transfer rates of up to 750 megabytes per second and a range of up to 10,000 square feet. Once configured, built-in beamforming technology directs to the wireless signal to each device for a more reliable Wi-Fi connections. Along with the wireless connectivity, this range extender comes equipped with a single gigabyte internet port for a reliable wired connection option. The last one, the third choice, is Nighthawk X for dual band AC 200 Wi-Fi mesh extender. This Nighthawk mesh extender works with your home Wi-Fi to create a powerful Wi-Fi system for a strong signal in hard to reach areas. Wi-Fi mesh extender boosts your existing Wi-Fi and deliver greater wireless speed and coverage to where Wi-Fi signals are weak, improving your home's Wi-Fi and get better connection for iPads, smartphone, laptops, and many more. Seamless roaming easily fits and extend the mesh Wi-Fi system with your existing gateway or router. You can use your current Wi-Fi name and security word. Fast lane technology. Use your Wi-Fi bands to establish one high-speed connection ideal with the HD streaming and gaming. Simultaneous dual-band Wi-Fi. Extended 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi up to 2200 megabytes and reduced interference. Next, we go to the user manual. From the three choose item above, we choose the D-Link DAP 1650 Wi-Fi range extender AC 1200 as our item. It is because it is easily to be found on Malaysia's online shopping applications like Lazada and Shopee. Furthermore, the prices are quite cheap and reasonable. Here are the user manual for the D-Link DAP 1650 Wi-Fi range extender AC 1200. For the package contents, we have DAP, the software, the hardware itself, DAP 1650 wireless AC 1200 dual band gigabyte club router, and there are Ethernet cable, the power adapter, and the Wi-Fi configuration note. For the system requirement, they have two requirements that we can include in the box, which is network requirements and web-based configuration utility requirement. For the network requirements, there are an Ethernet-based network, IEEE 802.11 AC wireless network, 110 to 100 to 1000 Ethernet. For the web-based configuration utility requirement, there are computers with the following that support Windows, Macintosh or Linux-based operating system and install Ethernet adapter. Next, we go to the hardware overview, where there is USB port, WPS button, LAN ports, power switch, power receptor, and reset button base. That's for the back of the stuff. On the front of the stuff, we get the power LED and internet LED. For the setup options, we can simply push the WPS push button on the router or AP you want to extend on the DAP1650. It will automatically configure itself for you. You can also use the QRS mobile app on your iOS or Android mobile device, or the built-in setup wizard that lets you configure it wireless with a PC using any supported browser. And then next is product comparison. From the three, we compare the three items from the D-Link DAP to the Linksys RA7000 and then Nighthawk X4. We compare for the pros, cons, the WPS setup, bands, connectivity, and then the most important is the price. From the three items above, we can know that D-Link DAP1650 is much cheaper than other two items, which is only cost us 160, not more than that. For the other two items, there are many costs that we should have included, which is for the tax, because these two items are not from Malaysia. They are from
Hi, Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. My name is Nurnajo Binti Ismail. My metric number is 273443. Today, I will tell you about the course of product that we choose in our group project, which is D-Link DAP1C50 Wi-Fi Reach Extender AC1200. At the beginning of this project, we will provide about 1000 units of this product for University Utara Malaysia students, and 1 unit of this product will cost about 100 ringgit, 160 ringgit including shipping fee. This is the price we will sell to students. With this price, they will get one set of DAP1C50 AC dual band GB, cloud router, Ethernet cable, power adapter, and Wi-Fi configuration nodes. The reason we provide 1000 units of this product because, first of all, University Utara Malaysia have numerous number of students, and with this numerous number of students, we believe that most of them have faced connection problems at their homes during this pandemic COVID-19. So, with a poor connection or a poor coverage, they will face a lot of problems to finish their tasks or to finish assignment given by lecturers or to attend the class during this pandemic. And to get a better connection or a better coverage, they need to boost their internet or Wi-Fi connection with a new technology like our product, which is D-Link DAP1C50 Wi-Fi Reach Extender. So that is why we want to provide 1000 units of this product, and if we have many requests from them in future, we will try to provide this product again for them. In conclusion, there are 3 recommendations to boost Wi-Fi or internet connection for students to do their tasks during this pandemic COVID-19, such as online class, which they need to use a lot of data connection. And based on that, we have decided to choose second recommendation, which is using the best Wi-Fi extender hardware as the best way to boost internet connection among students. This is because we can save the cost of students at their house since we stay at home during this pandemic. In fact, it is not just for students only, but all of people in the house, which is their family, can use this Wi-Fi extender hardware also. Then, with this Wi-Fi extender hardware, students didn't need to face internet problems when they need to submit or do the task given by lecturers later. So, we came up with 3 products of this of Wi-Fi extender hardware, and based on that three products, our group decided to choose D-Link DAP1650 Wi-Fi range extender AC1200 as our product. This is because this product has available stocks in Malaysia. Besides that, the price of this product is the cheapest and affordable at range RM160 per unit only. And here, we also provided you the link on how to set up the D-Link DAP1650 Wi-Fi range extender AC1200. That's all from me. Thank you.